another package. Let's get this over with. It is my new starter. This is my high torque starter that I just bought. It's from TYC. Yeah, the reason I got this is because once I supercharge it, it's going to require a lot of torque to turn it over because of the higher compression. And this is what I need to make sure the car's reliable and it starts whenever I need it to start. It's brand new. Everything on it is brand new. Solenoid, starter, everything. So it's not no cheap rebuild or anything like that. And it could turn a high compression engine with no issue. I'm not going to put this on until I get the engine work done before I put the supercharger on. So this is going to go into my parts room for the time being. Sometime next year when I get the heads done and put in the new rocker arms and push rods and everything I need, then I'll put this on. But right now, it's going in the parts room. And that's it for today. Friday, I'm going to get my Mustang GT fuel pump and take it to the shop to get it installed. And then before the year is out, I'm going to put in the power steering pump, the high amp alternator, and the power steering pump lines for it. So that's it for today. Until next video, I'll see you.